Bing, 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 live, live. It is the Kent Beck. We have Sam and Puneet and Nick and Michael, and updates from me since the last Scrum. Managed to review and move around some week 2 videos for the MOOC. Managed to get the Premium Plus charging thing live and out on the site, and manipulate terminology, create a FAQ, and get things moving in that direction, which is quite pleasing. Right now, I'm just trying to set up a little pull request that puts replaces articles with Premium on the navigation bar, and I'm just stuck on not being able to click on the link for some reason, which is kind of but I've got to wrap this up and go take my son to football very soon. Let's go. Nick, you were in first. How are things going with you? All right, Nick?
Say it again, please.
Sorry, I said speaking too fast, as usual. How are things going with you?
What exactly would you like to know?
Well, I mean, there is, if we break it down further, there is, you can say what you've been doing, what you're stuck on, if anything, and what you're planning to do.
Okay. So, little bit retrospective, yes?
It's just about, well, it's in a Scrum. The idea is a quick thing. You could say, so hypothetically, you might say, oh, I was reviewing the JavaScript pull request that I was looking at with Michael and Sam yesterday, and I submitted this and there, and sort of say what you've done. Nothing blocking me. I'm planning to investigate that further later on tonight. That would be kind of an example of the sort of thing that you might say.
Okay, give me 1 second. I need to close the window because it's a little bit noisy, and I will answer your question.
You take your time. I'll move on. Michael, I guess, are you too ill for a quick summary?
No.
Oh, Nick's come back.
About JavaScript.
Go on then,
So
Nick.
we have discussed a lot about yesterday about JavaScript and about how Rails handling JavaScript. And I was thinking that let's start from the perspective. What we trying to do with website 1, we're trying to create a good product. I think you all will agree with me on this subject. And in doing this, I think I'm guessing that we will try to shift more and more JavaScript code toward the client to make user experience more better than it's currently now. And in this process, I think we will have something like React or Ember on the client side. So we will have more code on the client side. And to do this, we need to change how we approach writing our JavaScript code. And I kind of think about it in 2 directions. The first one that I was planning to do is after I do some refactoring on the model, try to do some refactoring on the view layer and maybe apply some techniques from Trailblazer from Nick Satterer. I don't know, maybe you heard of him.
Yeah, not so much. I guess at the moment, Nick, you're kind of giving us like a very broad overview.
I think yes.
And I think that's maybe more a discussion for the retrospective on Friday. I guess what we're looking for in the Scrum is just a quick update that you might summarize more quickly. I'm thinking
I've been reviewing the request that you did on a JavaScript. I have added a few comments that I think would improve what we have right now. And essentially, this is all.
Yeah, good stuff. Then we'll go on to so nothing blocking you, Nick. You're continuing to think beautiful JavaScript thoughts. Michael, yourself?
I'm in a period of great convalescence.
Indeed.
What is blocking me is a need to not lay in bed all day.
Yes.
And what I'm going to do is probably rest throughout the day at different times and
Yeah.
drink water.
Indeed, that sounds like a good thing to do.
And continue to take that medication.
Yes.
And I think I might be feeling better tomorrow.
Well, I think we all look forward to you looking better. Thanks for checking in. Puneet, how are things with you?
As usual, Sam, just going through MOOC at the moment, but no progress on website one.
Uh-huh. Okay, well, I think that's it. I noticed, again, someone else has started the Kent Beck Scrum.
Yes, I've noticed that. I don't know, yesterday also, maybe today as well, that someone else trying to start the.
Yeah, it's I assume is that Racha, we are in the Scrum here. Like, so this person, I can see that they actually have a user account. So I've pinged them. He's tried to. I mean, I think that there's definitely something about our interface. I mean, I opened a ticket for this. I don't know if he's just exploring the site or if he may genuinely want to join the Scrum and just not be able to because he's clicking the wrong button, I guess.
So right now on the site, what does it say when you go to
Let's go and have a look. I mean, it may also be that the site has kind of not gone live. So we go and have a little look-see over here.
I mean, when you go live, does it let you start it again?
Well, I think it shouldn't, ideally.
No, I mean,
if you go
as
here,
of right now.
but like if you go here, yeah, it's still got the starter hangout on it. Yeah, basically the starter hangout on air button should be hidden when this is live.
Maybe there should be something that says join.
Well, there is something that says there is. It's this. The event is now live. Join now.
Oh, right.
Right, but very easily someone could come in here and go, "Oh, I'll click on this."
Click start.
Yeah. So it's just that should be hidden
probably
when
be
it's
hidden, like you're saying.
yeah. So that would explain the problem, a lot of the problem. Let's take a screenshot of that and go to the relevant Agile Ventures website one issues because there we go. Okay. It seems like some people may be confused. Oh, damn it! Be confused about how to join. Why does that? I don't know. Somehow, like when I'm typing for some reason, is it the magic trackpad? Like just the cursor jumps to like a kind of a totally random position. We should ideally be hiding the start hangout button when an event goes live. I think that's something that we had, that's functionality that we had before, and then we've kind of lost. And then this. So what I would sorely like to do is just get this one pull request off, which I will just draw your attention. I'm at this place here where I'm working. So the thing that is blocking me right now, and I have to go in 5 minutes. I'd love to just get done. Is I have added to the chart activity. I've got this thing here. Then I see premium on the navigation bar, and I click. I'm just experimenting with different clicking on things within the navigation bar, and I should be on.
Does 9 pass?
9 now passes, having gone from lowercase to uppercase. There. If we look at
clicking doesn't pass.
no. So we've got premium here. I've got it linked to the pricing page, which here in my develop thing, I've got like the old pricing page, and that, that works. I was just like, what is strange is that in the original like articles feature here is that it didn't seem to rely on it being uppercase or lowercase. The thing there is passing. It says I can see the premium. I can see it here. I can see the link is actually in there. I can do click link premium returns a thing. If I do click link or button premium, it says record not found, what have you. Irritating. So I'm in here. I click pricing within the navigation bar. So we've got this thing here, and then I click. So we've got this. It does this within a click pricing. We're going here. We've got these nested things. So it's like it's checking it in. So I click pricing within the navigation bar. Control, and I've got my basic steps there. Control F, click. So I've got like when I click, and it's doing like click link or button text there. Okay. I have to ignore what's going on in Slack at the moment. Yeah. I don't know. Like, you would have thought that come on. I'm gonna go. Oh, I just want to get that. I just want to get that one thing working. One of these things. So then I'm trying to work out, like, is it because the thing that's underneath is not there? It does see premium within the navigation bar. When I click, unable to find link or button premium. I guess Go on.
Can we see the step itself?
I mean,
obviously it's using click button or link.
Well, I think what it's using is it's using
a within block or something.
Yeah,
like that.
it's using like a combination of things. So it's got premium here. It's got slash pricing.
Uh-huh.
I mean, does it just need to be?
When I click.
I mean, I was thinking, like, is it this click link or button? Is it actually trying to click like the actual href thing? Okay, and that's just worked. Okay.
So it took the href?
No, I think it's like the should see seems to require the uppercase in this context. I don't know why. It didn't seem to require it in the other context. Okay, and then now it's saying record not found. Okay, we've got there. Can this be downgraded to premium there? So then there's a. Okay, that record not found makes sense because like maybe the pricing thing doesn't need it. What I'm confused about there is, like, I've got this like, I should see link getting started. Oh, where did I find the other one for? So I was searching in here, finding path for getting started. Pages features. I should be on the getting started page. Aha, and the following pages exist. So we just need to make sure that we have in the charges activity as a background step, we can just have in there the responses pricing longer and that needs to be background. Okay, there we go. That, and then conceivably, yes, it can't find that as it definitely wants that to be uppercase. Okay, yes. Well, it was interesting having that discussion about politics with you Michael, I'd hoped that I would have got this thing done quicker, and then we would have got onto looking at if we wanted to have just a donation page for us for, you know, I think it would be quite interesting to just add. There we go. That's working. Okay. It would be. I think, you know, we kind of ended up doing these two things here. I think throwing in. I don't know. So I'm not sure now. Like, if creating a donation page where you could, you know, do all these other things, does that reduce, you know, people who might be signing up for the other stuff? I don't know. Anyway, we can explore how complicated it is to do it. So git commit minus am replaces nav bar article link with the word is premium. Git push origin on 4. I mean, I particularly want to get this up because I wonder if Thomas will say the articles. No, we need all the articles. Anyway, so and then
Articles?
the articles. Like, you know, I think Thomas certainly at one time or another has been very invested in the idea that the articles are kind of, you know, that would be a big important thing in Agile Ventures, that, you know, people would, you know, write great articles about different topics, and that would be the whole part of the operation of the community, and so on. I think, you know, that's. I think it still could be if we had the right setup with blogs. I think we just don't have the resources to support our own custom article framework. Okay, so I've managed to do the pull request. Thank you for observing me through that process, guys. Yeah, Michael, I hope you feel much better tomorrow. And Nick, thanks for running along. Hope to see you tomorrow, and certainly at the retrospective on Friday, when we can hopefully have more, you know, deeper discussion about strategy.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
All right, bye for now.
Bye.